bags are packed and we are ready to go on this super adventurous trip.
Hi guys, this is Isha Shroff and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something really insane. We are doing a road trip from Mumbai to Kurg, which is around 1100 kilometers, and I'm super excited to show you guys the journey. Our first South Indian meal. Eat.
Guys, look at this. We are staying in this place. Isn't it so beautiful?
So a quick update. We took a mid-halt at Kolhapur. We stayed there for a night and we started again the next morning. So it almost took us, I'll say 18 to 20 hours, but every road was worth it. Like, it's so beautiful. There are 4-lane roads, there are 3-lane roads, there are 2-lane roads as well. So it's like a complete mixture of everything. We actually reached here quite late last night. We reached around at 12 o'clock, but the roads have been so good that we didn't have any issues. And luckily we were 2 cars, so we were just trying to stay together so that in case something happens to the other one, the other car is always available. Wow, look at this place, guys. We are staying in this beauty coffee plantation property. Like, it's a homestay. It's in the middle of a coffee plantation. It's 20 kilometers away from Madikeri, which is like the main city. But when I saw it on pictures, when I was finding places to stay, I couldn't resist this place. So I thought we have to stay here. So we are here just for 4 days, and we thought we should do 2 different properties. So we're doing 2 nights here and 2 nights hopefully the other property. And I'm just going to not waste time and show you guys the property. I'm sure you're going to love it. So the place may be a little messy because we have been here all night, and this is the entry and the fireplace, and that's the walk path. This is how the property looks. I mean, it's a homestay. It has 4 rooms, and yeah, I'm just going to take you guys through inside and show you. And this is the view from there. I don't know if you can see, there are water bodies there, and I think last night, guys, we heard an elephant. So this is where we're staying. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you all the rooms, but this place has 4 rooms, and each room has its own bathroom. And sorry, excuse my friends. And here, this is the property. I mean, just look at it, how beautiful it is. That's the stair. Here is the dining area. There is a little kitchen there for them to cook. And here are the 3 other rooms. Unfortunately, all are closed. But this is how the property looks, and I absolutely love it. I mean, just look at this place. Yeah, it's insanely good. I hope in the night we can have like a fire here and sit. Oh, I mean, just look at this. It's so beautiful. I mean, what a homestay. Wow, love it. We are exploring this place, which is like a minute from our property, and there are all the water bodies here, and I think this is a watching point, but I don't know, and it looks so good. Like, wow. Trying to explore and see what we can find around. And look what I found. Oh my god, guys, I'm seriously telling you, I heard an elephant yesterday, so I'm trying to hunt for it. I can hear some voice. I hope it's a small bird or animal. And look at this place. Wow. I mean, what if there is a crocodile in? Wow. Okay, guys, I'm running from here.
As we stayed a little far away from the city, we left early in the morning to the Abbey Falls to explore the most amazing falls you'll ever see. Abbey Falls is absolutely beautiful, but It's definitely not worth walking down 200 steps, and especially when the walking bridge was also shut.
Climbing up back after seeing the Abbey Falls, which is not that worth it, and almost getting down 200-300 steps. Your girl is a mess, tired, and he is the cutest always. After so many recommendations, we are here at the Big Cups Cafe. And
This is an amazing cafe to visit in Kurg. The food and coffee are amazing here.
there has been a change in plan. Instead of going to another property for the next 2 days that we were supposed to do in Kurg, we are now actually going to either Udupi or some place called Marathavani. It's basically a coastal route which has like water on both the sides, and it's really exciting because yesterday what happened is when we went to see the falls, we didn't actually have a lot of fun. I mean, it was quite crowded and we wanted to do some offbeat places. There were too many people, and what is like there's nothing much to do around, and all the properties that we are staying in is quite far away from the city area, like, so there's nothing to do absolutely. So the friends really have convinced me that because it's a road trip, we can do anything, we are flexible enough. So we are now going to the other place, and I'm exhausted but super excited because I like offbeat plans, but I don't know, just excited and saying bye to this property now.
Kurg is really famous for its spices, but let me warn you, all the spices that you see, if you are aware about it well, only then buy. Otherwise, there are chances of you getting cheated. And just like that, we left for Udupi. Kurg to Udupi was around 200 kilometers. It was a 6-hour drive.
Staying at this property overnight, and this is the view. Look at it. Hi, little one there. And this is the view. So we've taken a halt in Udupi, and we are off to Palolem today. But just look at this place, how beautiful it is.
The reason we changed our plan and came to this road was because of this amazing beach, the Marawante beach. And trust me, it was totally worth it.
This is why we came here. So basically now it's going to be a road which is going to be one-sided ocean, and the other side we're going to drive, and the other side is going to be like tree, forest and stuff, or what, I'm not really sure actually. But oh my god, look at this guys, it's insane, like the water is so yum. Guess what, I'm not even ready for this trip. Like, I have all woolen clothes, and the sudden change in plan has changed everything. So I'm just going to shop a few tops in Goa. But oh my god, just like wow, look at that.
And guys, your girl loves driving, and trust me, I have enjoyed every bit driving on this amazing road. I wish Maharashtra had these kinds of road, guys. Next destination is Palolem. Palolem is 250 kilometers away from Udupi, and we are expecting to reach a little early so that we can spend our evening by the beach.
Guys, we have detoured a little to come to this amazing bridge. Only bikes can go through, and it's literally like shaking, and it's on the highway, so we've detoured a little, but look how beautiful it is. I mean, wow, I am loving it. I am going to write the name of the place down because I don't think I can pronounce it, but it's totally worth coming. Just see, wow. And like I'm sure you can't feel it, but I'm like vibrating with every step that I take. Like, it's like shaky. And see, another bike. And when the bike comes, you literally have to slip in because like there is very little space. Oh my god.
Stayed at this super cute hotel for the next 2 days in Palolem. Palolem is really famous for staying by the beach, but because of our last minute reservations, we couldn't find cottages there. It's time to say goodbye to Goa as well now.
We had an insanely fun journey. It was completely unexpected because we literally had a plan to stay in Coorg and we ended up coming to South Goa. Yesterday I haven't vlogged because I was literally resting it out because it was a little tiring, but we also went to the shacks and had some insanely good time. In case you have any questions regarding the road trip, you can please leave a comment below and I'll definitely try answering all of them. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.